Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app. Then after open up your Gmail app, next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon. The next thing you need to do is to click on manage your Google account. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go to security and sign in. Then it's going to take you right here. So what we want to do first here is to scroll down right here. Here, you need to make sure you turn on your two-factor verification right here. Two-step verification phone number must be turned on. So if you have not turned it on before, what you need to do is to simply click on two-step verification. So having clicked on two-step verification, you can use your security pattern. So I'm going to unlock with my pattern right here, just to prove that you are the real owner of the account. Then it's going to take you right here. Now, if you don't have two-factor authentication right here enrolled before, consider to set it up with your Gmail account. So this is number one way to protect and the important security you need to set in your Gmail account. So let's simply go back. So right here, the second one I want to explain here is third-party app activity access to your Gmail account. For that, what you need to do is to scroll down right here, scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to your connection to third-party apps and services. What you need to do right here is to see or click on see all connections. So after click on see all connections, it's going to take you right here. You can review right here. So if you take note of any unrecognized apps or website right here, what you need to do is to click on the particular website or the apps. Then make sure you click on delete all connection you have with this. Then click on confirm. With that, you are no longer connected to this particular website, and your connection with you can connect with them. You can connect to this particular website again at any point in time. But you are doing this to secure your Gmail account. So if you have any unrecognized app right here, make sure you disconnect them. Okay, so that is that. Then the very third one I want to explain here as far as security of your Gmail is concerned is unauthorized device. And for that, we have to go back right here and then we head over to your device section right here. You will signing in. So what you need to do right here is to click on the device that you use to sign in and review them. So right here, this is the sign-in device I have on my phone, right on my Gmail account right here. However, if you take note of any unrecognized device on this in this particular section right here, what you need to do is to simply click on the device. So once you click on the device, and then it's going to load up right here, then apply your security pattern to be sure that you are the real owner of the account, and Google is going to present you with the device login detail. So if it is a device that you do not recognize, what you need to do is to simply click on sign out. It's that simple. So this is the third one. It's that simple. So this is the third one I want to show you on how best to secure your Gmail account. So let's take a look at the fourth one. So we have to go back right here again. Go back here under the security section right here in your Gmail account. So right here from the security section here, so what you need to do is to scroll down right here. Scroll down right here and make sure you head over to enhance safe browsing for your account. Click on that. So if you have not turned on this particular enhanced safe browsing for your account, consider to turn it on right here in order to protect your Gmail account and your Google Chrome browsing. So it's that simple. So this is the fourth one right here. Let's take a look at the very last one, which is the best of all. So right here, the very last one here is Advanced Protection Program, just like what you see from the top right here. So if you have not enrolled for Advanced Protection Program, it is advisable that you enroll for it in order to strengthen the security of your Gmail account. So right here, I will head over and enter my lock pattern to have full access to the protection program section, just like what you see right here. This is Advanced Protection Program, and how you can easily enroll for this. What you need to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Chrome browser. So open up Chrome browser, then come to the search right here and type in Google Advanced protection program. Then hit on search. So it's going to take you right here. Click on the first result right here. Then you'll be taken right here. Scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. So you can read some of the information right here about protection of the account when you enroll for Google Advanced Protection. Here, what you need to do is to click on Get Started. Enter your security lock pattern. And you are here. What you need to do to scroll down right here and hit on Enroll. Because I have already enrolled for my account, that is why you see on Enroll for Advanced Protection. But from your own hand, it will ask you to enroll. And at the same time, you will be asked to complete your security key and pass key. And you will have to complete your recovery phone number and your recovery email address before you can eventually enroll for. So just like what you see right here. So it's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to secure and protect your Gmail or Google account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.